motivation don't start. So I actually made a Facebook post about this. And ang gusto ko lang share sa inyo na kung sa buhay kailangan pa motivation, huwag mo na lang gawin, huwag mo na lang simulan. And what's the meaning of this message? Ang gusto ko lang sabihin kasi in life, you'll never get motivation regularly. You'll never get motivation every now and then. And if you think about it, in the old times, wala namang mga motivational materials, motivational coaches. Pero, ang dami mga tao nagsasucceed sa buhay. And if you would relate that in life, if you think about it, to pursue success, it's very complicated and it's very hard. And kung every now and then, kailangan pang motivation para lang gawin ng isang bagay, huwag mo na lang simulan. Kasi if you would need motivation to do something, definitely, and most of the time, you'll quit. You'll quit dahil ang motivation will not be regular. But if you do something, even though you don't need any necessary motivation from other people, sabihin, kaya mong i-fuel yung sarili mong motivation, kaya mong i-fuel yung sarili mong inspiration, at kaya mong umabante at mag-move on sa buhay kahit mag-isa. So my advice in life, pag kailangan mo pa ng motivation para gawin isang bagay, huwag mo na lang gawin. Kasi you'll end up quitting and you'll end up being frustrated. So that's the life tip of the day, and I hope nagustuhan nyo. And para sa mga hindi na pa nagsusubscribe, mag-subscribe na. So maraming salamat. Bye-bye!